So here's my RC car. I had to drive last night, and apparently one of my shock breakers was bended. I didn't see it, and when I wake up this morning I had a puddle of oil here on the table. So apparently one of the shafts here is bended, as you can see. So I have to repair it. I took it all apart, the entire shock breaker. I hope I can reassemble it. But it's a very nice piece of engineering, I must say. You know, it works perfect. But I lose the oil, and I don't have oil. But I hope I can use this one, silicone grease. So now I have to make the shaft back right and then reassemble it again, and I hope I can drive. But I will order some more shock breakers, because yeah, if you drive at high speed against a wall or something will break, you know. I have to repair many of those ball joints here. They are broken. You have to fix that all the time. Yeah, but for the rest it's a very nice piece of engineering, and so fucking fast, unbelievable. Let's go outside soon as I have finished this, and then yeah, maybe I can show you a little bit outside also. Here's the batteries, 2600 milliampere. Maybe on my membership page from YouTube, I will see. Cheers guys. Hello guys, Steff here. Yeah, it's a video about my RC car. Just went to the McDonald's, had some food for myself, so I'm gonna eat first a little bit. Then I'm gonna drive my RC car. Did some repairs this afternoon, hope it worked. The shock breaker is fixed. I'll show it you later. First, I'm gonna eat something, you know. McDonald's takeaway, have a look. Napkins, mayonnaise, ketchup, crispy bacon, and of course French fries. Yeah, French fries are good. Burger looks good. Some bacon, cheese. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna start eating. Cheers guys. Yeah, plenty of place here, eh? Look at this parking lot. I can drive my RC car here, test it out. Yeah guys, as you can see, I fixed the shock breaker, the shock damper, whatever you call it in English. It's not perfect, but I put some grease in it. It works, like the left one. It's not 100%, but I think it's 90%. It will do, it will do. See, it comes back up, so perfect. Yeah, nice car. Let's do some driving, huh? I don't know if I'm gonna make this video for my membership members. Hey Ross, hey everybody. We will see. Maybe I'll upload it to my regular channel, huh? Why not? It's fun. So let's drive the car. Cheers guys. Here he comes, here he comes. Whoa. Nice drifting. Yeah man. Yeah. Oh fuck yeah. Why they use those little clips here? Unbelievable. Finally. The remote control, it's bonded now with the receiver from the RC car, and it's working. Yeah. As you can see, it's working perfect. Have to trim it a little bit. I cannot, as you can see, it's very fast. It's very fast. Let's put up the speed a little bit. Can drift a little bit. Oh my god. Yes, you can see it goes very fast. This little bugger. See, we can do a jump here. Jump. Yeah. See that? The jump. Out of range, 100 meter out of range. crash. Yeah, guess something is broken now. I crashed into a stone trample or something, stone wall. Probably something is broken now. It cannot be other ways. Let's see. Yeah, I crashed into this here. Seems okay. Seems okay, yeah. Don't see any spare parts here, so everything good, yeah. Yeah, maybe I was lucky this time. Yeah, I was lucky with this crash. Normally something is broken, but everything is fine. I'm gonna change the battery, do another round of 10 minutes, 12 minutes driving. Yeah, everything looks fine. Nothing broken. Damn it. Yeah guys, as you can see, a lot of fun with this car. It goes unbelievable fast, man. But if you crash it, you have a lot of spare parts to buy, you know. But that makes it fun, you know, repairing it, taking care of it, and then having fun here on a big parking lot here, as you can see. What else you want? Huh? I still have to upload my PATTAYA house video also. Gonna try to do that also this week. Okay guys, cheers, thank you for watching. See you in another video. Hope you had fun with this RC car. I had fun. And I had a good McDonald's. Cheers guys, bye bye.